Hi my loves, welcome back. In today's video, we will going to read love message and message from your person. Okay, bago tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account, TikTok, and meron din po tayong mga shop like Shopee Shop and TikTok Shop. So if you feel resonated with me, my loves, meron po tayong mga crafts na available sa ating shop. So isa po dito is yan, yung ating Red Evil Eye na strong and sabihin natin enchant with double purpose, protection, and return to sender energy. And meron din po itong energy to transmute lahat ng na-accumulate ninyo or sabihin natin ibinabato sa inyo ng inyong mga tao sa paligid ninyo into good and positive energy. Okay, so let's read the energy first. Okay, so in this reading, I hear that most of my collectives are dealing with not enough attraction and chemistry. If you, my loves, if you are dealing with unrequited love, or I also hear na your situation is unrequited. Okay, so there is not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going, and spirits wants to advise you na let your friends help you. If kumbaga nahihirapan ka na i-accept itong katotohanan na to, let your friends help you. Ask them for support. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay, so my loves, spirits wants you to know na you are supported in the, this time of sabihin na nating loneliness. I also feel na you are lonely, my loves. If sabihin natin you are not friendly, spirits wants to remind you to reconnect with them. May tendency na you are focusing in your loneliness na nakakalimutan mo na meron kang angels and guides na kumbaga nandyan para sa'yo. Kasi kumbaga hindi natin pwede at i-accept natin ang katotohanan na hindi lahat ng ating kaibigan ay mapagkakatiwalaan natin about our love life. So maybe you have genuine friend na nakapaligid sa'yo or friends na nakapaligid sa'yo. Spirits wants you to accept support from them. Kumbaga kung ano man to, I also hear na my collectives are sabihin natin masyadong nakatay or nakatali doon sa kanilang love life kahit na ito ay not enough chemistry and not enough attraction. Because parang iniisip din nila na wala kang kaibigan or may tendency na na-involve dito ang friends and inyong person. So, like for example, kumbaga ipinipilit mo pa rin ipagpatuloy yung relationship na to because sa tingin mo wala ka ng kaibigang babalikan. May tendency ganun na I also hear na ipinaglaban mo yung taong to. Kumbaga, ipinaglaban mo yung taong to sa yung mga kaibigan and kumbaga, naging tama yung kasi pinaglaban mo yung mga taong to sa yung kaibigan because your friends, sabihin natin hindi boto sa situation or love relationship na to. And then, ngayon ay nawawala na ng chemistry. Kumbaga, ipinipilit mo, ipinapatuloy mo pa rin yung relationship ninyo kahit na sabihin na nating tama yung inyong mga kaibigan. And the spirits wants you to know na meron ka mga kaibigan na handang umunawa sa'yo, handang i-accept ka ulit if ever na makakapag-decide ka. But dito nga, malinaw na malinaw, this is unrequited love. Not enough na ang chemistry to keep this relationship going. So, kumbaga, sabihin natin, kailangan mo na mag-decide na putulin na yung relationship na to because hindi na siya masaya. Hindi na kayo parehas masaya dahil wala na yung attraction. Okay. And I also hear some of my collectives na unti-unting nawawala ng spark ang kanilang relationship and your friends Kumbaga, pwedeng matulungan ka ng mga friends mo para maibalik yung attraction na yon. Okay? That's for your specific. Kung kayo ay involved sa isang circle, may tendency ganon, my loves, na yung nawawalang chemistry or spark sa inyong relationship, pwede kayo matulungan ng mga friends ninyo na maibalik yun. But yung most of my collectives nga, yan, kagaya na sinabi ko, you are involved sa isang relationship na nawawalan na ng spark. And you have to decide about this. You have to decide, my loves, kasi kumbaga, pag wala na yung attraction and chemistry, parang dapat tanggapin na natin i-accept na natin na maybe hindi nga kayo yung nararapat sa isa't isa. And spirits wants you to know na andyan pa rin naman, makaka-attract ka pa rin ng romantic love life. Because kasi nandito, tingnan nyo, unrequited love and attraction. So, may darating pa rin na love life, but ang focus din kasi nito, my loves, is you are involved doon sa love life na nawawalan na ng relationship para ipagpatuloy, nawawalan na ng spark para ipagpatuloy itong relationship. And dito nga, isa sa mga focus is you have to accept support from others, from your friends. Pwedeng sabihin na natin na i-accept mo na talagang nagkamali ka sa pagpili ng tao mamahalin mo at tama yung mga kaibigan mo. May tendency ganon kasi baka yun yung hindi mo ma-accept, my loves. Yes, the fate, the life cycles, ayan na, ito na yung turning point, and yan, kagaya ng sinabi natin, the wheel of fortune, the cycle must end. Isa pa yun, na, kagaya nga na sinabi ko na, not enough na. And, andito na, the conflict with others, lack of support. Okay, you feel some of my collectives also, kagaya ng binigay ko example kanina, na hindi nakaka-receive ng support, lack of support sa relationship na to. Maaari yun yung nararamdaman mo, hindi ka sinusuportahan ng mga kaibigan mo when it comes to this love life. But malinaw na this love life is, sabihin na natin, tama ang mga kaibigan mo. Hindi ka nila sinuportahan before, and ngayon sila ay tama nang ito ay not enough chemistry na para maipagpatuloy pa. Kumbaga, hindi naging successful or may tendency hindi maging successful yung relationship na to kasi unti-unti nang nawawala yung spark. And ito, kagaya attraction, you have recovery. Andyan yung recovery, kumbaga yung overcoming adversity, nandyan, my loves. Kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, kung natatakot ka na tanggapin yung katotohanan na ito ay not enough attraction na, andito ang attraction card. Okay? Not enough or unrequited love with this relationship, pero yung attraction, yung sayo, makaka-attract ka pa rin ng panibagong love life. Basta, you have to enjoy your moment fully. Nandyan ang recovery card with reverse 5 of Pentacles. Ano yun? Kumbaga, overcoming the challenges and adversity. So, you have, kung if ever, my loves, na nagkaroon ka din ng problem with your friends because of this relationship, you have to accept them. You have to accept na tama sila. And kung sa tingin mo na parang, kumbaga, in-accept mo naman pero parang may something na kang nararamdaman na hindi genuine sa yung mga kaibigan, ask your angels. Baka sila yung, kumbaga, kailangan mong i-accept, yung support nila yung kailangan mong i-accept. Yung tinutukoy dito na sa card na to, sa friend card or sa help from friends. Okay? Huwag mo ilayo din yung loob mo sa ibang tao, my loves. Kumbaga, huwag mo masyadong, sabihin natin na okay, nasira na, may tendency parang mahihirapan na kayo ibalik yun sa dati, but ito kasi yung focus ng energy na to is about involve ang friends. May tendency nga na na-give up mo yung friendship para sa relationship na meron ka ngayon. Okay? Let's see the angel messages. kaya mo makapag-attract ng bagong love life, ng romantic love. Basta ipakita mo yung ikaw na, kumbaga, yung ine-enjoy mo, yung ina-enjoy mo yung life mo. And somehow, ina-enjoy mo din ang life mo, or ma-enjoy mo ang life mo with your friends, with other people. I also see, and I also hear, okay, meditation brings answer. So, iyon yung pagiging, kumbaga, starting point mo para makapag-decide, para, kumbaga, if ever magde-decide ka nga about this unrequited love, or sabihin natin you are dealing with that relationship na nga, Spirits wants you to know, and Spirits wants to tell you na you have to enjoy your life fully para ma-attract mo ulit. May tendency na mabilis kang maka-attract ng love, my loves. Kumbaga, ang kailangan mo i-project is nag-enjoy ka sa buhay at hindi ka, sabihin natin, chaser pagdating sa love life. Okay? So, enjoy the companionship with your friends, and makakahanap ka rin ng love life again. Yung may chemistry, yung may attraction. But this one, ito nga, unrequited love. Kung iyan ay wala ng spark, Spirits wants you to know na you have to decide, you have to end this cycle, and andyan ang recovery. They are promising you for recovery. Okay, so let's pull another card, and this is the last one. Our last card. Balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Okay. May tendency na ito yung naging, if ever na wala, this is unrequited love, my loves, diba? Pero, kumbaga, ito yung pwedeng maging susi. Balance. Kung walang balance, I hear na isa sa mga naging, I hear, my loves, na this balance, I feel na, yun nga, masyado ka nag-focus dito and napabayaan mo yung iyong friendship. Yun ang na-feel ko dito sa energy na to. Kumbaga, masyado ka nag-focus dito sa relationship na to, and yung mga friends mo, kumbaga, parang na-set aside mo na sila. And if ever you are dealing na, kumbaga, nawawalan pa lang nga ng spark, isa sa mga susi noon para manumbalik ang attraction is balance. Okay, so kailangan give and take, and both supports one another. Okay, and that's all for this reading. I am sending you lots of love and light. See you in my next one.